Welcome back. Imagine you're staying at a hotel and you're hungry. What do? You call room service. Today's conversation is between a hungry guest and a hotel staff member. Let's listen to how he orders his meal. I'd like to order room service, please.
What would you like to order?
I'm really hungry. What are my choices?
There should be a menu in your room.
I have it in front of me. Can I have a cheeseburger deluxe with bacon and fries?
Sure. How would you like your burger cooked?
Rare, and I want my bacon extra crispy.
Would you like anything to drink?
Can I have a beer?
Are you 21 or older?
I'm way older than 21.
We'll send that to your room in 30 minutes. You can pay upon delivery, or we can charge it to your room.
Just charge it to my room, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
That sounded delicious. Now, let's practice saying each line. Listen carefully, then repeat during the pause. Focus on sounding polite and clear, just like in a real hotel. Let's start. I'd like to order room service, please. I'd like to order room service, please.
What would you like to order? What would you like to order?
I'm really hungry. What are my choices? I'm really hungry. What are my choices?
There should be a menu in your room. There should be a menu in your room.
I have it in front of me. Can I have a cheeseburger deluxe with bacon and fries? I have it in front of me. Can I have a cheeseburger deluxe with bacon and fries?
Sure. How would you like your burger cooked? Sure. How would you like your burger cooked?
Rare, and I want my bacon extra crispy. Rare, and I want my bacon extra crispy.
Would you like anything to drink? Would you like anything to drink?
Can I have a beer? Can I have a beer?
Are you 21 or older? Are you 21 or older?
I'm way older than 21. I'm way older than 21.
We'll send that to your room in 30 minutes. You can pay upon delivery, or we can charge it to your room. We'll send that to your room in 30 minutes. You can pay upon delivery, or we can charge it to your room.
Just charge it to my room, please. Thank you. Just charge it to my room, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Perfect. Now you're the hotel staff taking the order. I'll be the hungry guest. Listen to what I need and respond professionally. Ready to work in hospitality? Here we go. I'd like to order room service, please. I'm really hungry. What are my choices? I have it in front of me. Can I have a cheeseburger deluxe with bacon and fries? Rare, and I want my bacon extra crispy. Can I have a beer? I'm way older than 21. Just charge it to my room, please. Thank you. Great service. Now switch. You're the guest ordering food. I'll be the staff member helping you. Relax, order whatever you want, and enjoy the practice.
What would you like to order? There should be a menu in your room. Sure. How would you like your burger cooked? Would you like anything to drink? Are you 21 or older? We'll send that to your room in 30 minutes. You can pay upon delivery, or we can charge it to your room. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Excellent. You just practiced ordering room service like a pro. Whether you're traveling for business or vacation, knowing how to communicate clearly will make your experience so much better. Keep it up. See you next time.